Showbie supports adaptive teaching by allowing us to hide assignments and resources until pupils are ready to access them. This means we can release content at the right moment for each group, tailor challenge and support more precisely, and create a smoother, more focused learning journey for every child. Now, when I have sort of set slides for the teaching slides and pupil slides, I don't want them to get confused by what they can and can't go on. So I'm going to hide specific things from them that they don't need. So they do not need access to my teacher slides, so I'm going to press everyone. I can then edit the access to those students, select none, save, remove that there. Everyone will now change to teachers only. Again, I don't want them to go on my whiteboard. If we share the whiteboard, any annotations I made after I'd pressed done would appear on theirs as well, and it would distract them a little bit here. So I'm happy with the things here that are for everybody. They've got their whiteboard, their do now task, their lesson slides. Again, I don't want them to have access to the extension and the learning review yet, because that comes post the initial activity and then at the end of the lesson. So I'm just going to come in here and remove the access to those students. So all of this allows me still to see all of the resources, but if I haven't given them access, they cannot see it until I give them it. Now, it might be that after the main bulk of the lesson, the independent task, some but not all are ready for the extension. Might be the other pupils need a bit more consolidation, a bit more fluency work in this maths lesson here. Let's say, for example, Bruce Banner and Peter Parker are ready to go on to extension. I can go into where it says teachers only, edit the access, and select just them two, save that, and that will give them access, but not the others.